Jan Hofmeyer from Comcast. And what I want to cover today is the scale of the X1 platform. So I think most of you have seen around on the show floor, we're showing the X1. And really what the X1 platform is, taking the entire experience, taking the entire system, and move it into the cloud. We moved into the cloud to really help drive scale and agility with how we deploy products through this platform. So what is the X1 Platform Cloud? We think of it as three big areas. The first is the application, and that's really where we create the user experience and what you see the navigation on the screen. The second one is the IP video. If you think about the navigation, you have the video side, and how do you move the video so that it's really cross-platform, and you can move it from device to device, from the television to a mobile device to a PC. That's what the IP video platform gives us. And lastly, the device itself. We spend a lot of time refactoring the software in the device to allow us to deploy the software much faster, and to be much more agile in terms of how we think about the device itself. So since last year in CTA, we've been very focused on taking the X1 platform, focusing on scale, and getting it deployed across our entire footprint. So today, across all of Comcast, the X1 platform is available. So that was a major part. Another part was important as we scaled it out to the full footprint is how do we maintain the ability to innovate quickly? How do we to deploy new features at a rapid rate and at the same time scaling? And I think that was the biggest challenge we had this year. I can say today we are still deploying on a daily basis new features to the field, to our customers. And we are installing between 15 and 20,000 devices per day in terms of the growth of the platform. So definitely scaling and growing pretty rapidly. In terms of the usage on this platform, it's getting to the point where things like our metadata, you can see we have 4.1 million titles in our metadata system. That's getting to the large scale in terms of the number of devices, the number of content we have available to our users. Next one I want to focus on is Cloud TV. If you go around, you'll see the Cloud TV. That's really the focus on how do you take the IP video and truly make it available on any device, so that the service can be available as you move from the television to your mobile to your PC, and it's a completely seamless experience. So we took all of our content, our VOD content, our linear content, and make it available through the cloud as IP video. And that really then allows us to have a platform that crosses across these platforms. So it's not only the television anymore. It's not a set-top box connected to a television. That is not the service anymore. The service is truly something that moves with you on any device you have. Whether you're on the go, you can download it. Whether you're on your iPad, you view it. So truly a cross-platform device. This platform has been in development for more than 30 months now. We started it from a couple of years ago. And if you look about the building of the system, it was really a grounds up when we built the system. Over 49 distinct systems that has been built to cover all of the functionality you see within the demos today. That was all built from the ground up as part of the X1 platform. Lots of code, a tremendous software effort went into this. And an important part of the way we think about software development, from day one, X1 platform was developed as an agile DevOps model, where each system can be deployed independent from each other, and it truly allows us to scale and be very flexible in terms of how we think about the platform. We also, as part of developing this platform, has come up with new innovative ways to present content, to navigate content, and that drove a lot of innovation on our side around patents and ideas from this platform. So in terms of the platform and driving a whole new service, this platform truly, if you think about it, moved us from, like I said before, it moved us from a television with a set-top box to a service that moves across. It's expandable. It allows us to be a much more of an addressable service. It's IP-based, so meaning I can deliver content unique to a user, whether it's content, whether it's advertising, all of that can be uniquely delivered to the user. And that leads us to the implementation of the newest version of the X1 platform. We codenamed it X2. That was delivered across all these platforms. The experience was the same. If you think about the first version we showed before, it was really television focused. With the introduction of the X2 version, that same navigation, that same user experience now is available across devices. So a user leaving from the television to mobile to PC back to television, the exact same navigation scheme, and it feels seamless for them moving between these platforms. All right, that's what I have on scale. If you want to see any demos, please go around. We have the cloud TV demos, we have the X2, and then we also show some of the integration of some of the other products like the home products into X1 that you can see on the demos. Thank you.